quick story about here. Here's a bit of a video of the deck right here. The over there is our number 20. That started up. This is a while ago. They're awesome. Too much joy there, way on the ground. You know, I was in the original scheme. This is a motor right here. You can't see. Now, I'm not worried that this is going to go in space because there are so many bugs there. But this thing is over there. Yeah, I can see it. Let's close this door. It's too back way. Not sure if I can close this. Oh yeah. And right here is this air conditioner. Average compressor. And my door is where the lights can be. And it's from 2030 to 2020. So, good show of that. Yeah. There's a nice S-Code show. Yep. See it right there. And today is hot as April. Now, you see what time just now the time is. It's 4:29 a.m. There's also we can see the house right there. Also, we can start here. And right here is the bucket, the basketball. It's incredible. You guys getting this? You know right there. But yeah, this is a quick video of the second unit. And thanks for watching.